Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So Sugarpill sent me another package and I literally couldn't believe it. I didn't think I was going to be like actually on their PR list. I thought when they sent me that package a couple months back that it was just like a one-time thing, and I was super excited and super grateful. And then this was at my mailbox a couple days ago and I lost my mind. I literally can't believe it. They sent me their Endless Summer collection. They sent me an empty pro palette with the new shades, including this one, which I don't think this one is new, but they included it. They also included the white shade Taco, but I'm giving it to a friend because I already own that one. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this. This shade makes me so excited. I love the look of these pastels. This pink is so pretty. I actually used this pink as my blush today, and I used this, I think this one's called Wink, as my highlight. I think they're called Wink, Arsenic, I don't remember this one, Tokyo, and I don't remember this one, but I will have all the shade names down below, of course, because I plan on using all of them on my eyes today. They sent me 3 pairs of lashes. They sent Dazed and Rapture and Halo, and they all look so fluffy and pretty. I can't wait to wear one today. They sent me both of their new glosses, Bloom and Flicker, and they're so glittery. I cannot wait to wear these. Ooh, they look so good. And then they sent 4 of their loose shadows that are new in this collection. Memento and Polar are both really pretty blues. Brick Toast is a really pretty kind of orangey, reddy, pinky kind of thing. And then Silverlake is a beautiful silver. I'm not going to swatch all of them just because I don't want to get my hands dirty. I'm just ready to play with as much of this as possible on my face today. Oh, I'm just so thankful. Sugarpill, if you ever see this, thank you so much. I'm at a loss for words, truly. Well, anyways, I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit. I'm going to prime my eye with my Sigma eyeshadow base in Ignite, and we'll get started playing with these shadows. I can't wait. So I don't know what exactly we're gonna do. I just know I want to play with as much as humanly possible. And I'm gonna start with this green, keep forgetting all these names, Arsenic. I just have to put that all over my eye. It looks so good. Ugh. I really like Sugarpill's shadow formula, and I was swatching these on my Instagram stories the other day. I also swatched everything in my vlog, which is going to be up in a couple days probably. And everything was super buttery and creamy. If anything, the formula feels better than the formula I'm used to. It feels a little bit softer and just more creamy and buttery. If you've felt Sugarpill shadows before, you'd know that they're kind of gritty, kind of dry, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. But I was impressed. I liked the way they felt. If you hear people outside, just ignore them. There is construction going on right outside my window, and I'm not going to postpone filming because I'm dying to play with these colors. Literally, I just want to smear this green all over my eyes, throw on big lashes, and leave. It looks so good. I love this shade. Whew, so pretty. Okay, but I need to use other shades too, so I'm going to stop there. I want to dip into the pink now, which is Tokyo, and like I said, I used it as my blush today. And I really liked it. I'm excited to pop this in my eye, have a little strawberry moment. I'm just using an eyeshadow brush for this. It's kind of fluffy. It's in Colourpop E1, and the other brush I used was from Orglamix. It's also just kind of a big fluffy shadow brush. Not exactly a blending brush, but it'll work. I really don't know exactly what my plan is for this look. We're just having fun. I think for the outer corner now, I want to work on using this shade, which is called Hypnotic. I looked it up, and the purple is Velouria. And for that, I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush. This is from Spectrum. It's a C06. And I'm just going to start kind of popping this out here. The shade's also going to go underneath my lower lash line a little bit. Ugh, I love pastel-y colors like this. It's so pretty. And I just love that green. I keep staring at it. Now that I have almost 3 full pro pans of, like little pro pans of Sugarpill shadows, I need to pop them all out and reorganize them, make them look like cute, curated little palettes. Or I'm just going to put them in rainbow order to make my life easy. We'll see. That'll be fun though. I'll do that at some point. I'll probably vlog it. Trying to vlog things here and there because I'm very new at the whole vlogging thing. We will see how it goes whenever you guys watch it. I want to play with that purple, but I'm not sure where I want to put it because all over my lid and right here is going to be taken from one of those one of those, what am I saying? Loose shadows. Just adding more green because I love it so much. Might just use that same brush I used with the blue. I'm gonna wipe it off a little bit and then dip into Velouria and just pop a little bit, just kind of underneath, just a slight bit, just to add that little element. Just gonna wipe that brush off again, just to really blend and smudge the outer corner some more. Oh, it's so cute. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put a loose shadow in my inner corner, but for now I do wanna just take that wing shade and pop it in my inner corner just so you guys can see it doing its thing. I use it to highlight my face, but now you'll be able to actually see it in action. It's just a really pretty highlighty shade. Like, it's perfect for pretty much any look you would ever do. It's just one of those shades. So for loose shadows, I think I want Brick Toast all across the lid. I think that's gonna be pretty. I'm gonna try to do it in cut creasy fashion, but we'll see how it goes. I'm also gonna lay down some glitter primer first to make sure everything stays sticky. I don't know where my glitter primer went. It's gone. I found it. Everything's okay. This little brush is a Spectrum A16. I'm just going to pop this all across the lid and then kind of take it as if I was doing a cut creasy sort of thing. And then there's already some product just kind of chilling in the cap, so I'm just gonna take some up on my brush that's in the cap and just start working on popping it across the lid. Ooh. Are you dead? That's so pretty. I'm just going in a little at a time because I don't know if this is gonna create a lot of fallout or not. So far it seems okay. I just don't want to risk it. Ooh, these go so pretty with the greens and pinks that I have in my crease. Oh, I love it. Just gonna take the brush that I used with the green with very light pressure, just to very lightly buff in this outer corner so it can flow in with those mattes nicely. This is one of the prettiest loose shadows I've ever used. It's so sparkly, it's so cute. So for the lower lash, I think I want Polar. Memento was a bit darker and Polar's a bit brighter, and I feel like Polar had more sparkle to it. Ooh, this one just spilled everywhere. But I'm gonna take just this random angled brush and I'm just going to take some of the NYX Glitter Primer on top of it. And I'm going to pop that just kind of right in the front of this lower lash line. Gonna dip right into the cap again, pick some of that up. Ooh, picked up a lot. I picked up a lot. That's okay. Just going to carefully place it. Oh, it's so sparkly. Gonna wipe off my brush actually, and then just kind of spread it down just a tiny bit. I love the loose shadows from Sugarpill. They're like, any loose shadow is obviously messy, but man, they're pretty. I'm getting fallout on my nose. Just gonna take that giant brush just to lightly sweep. Oh my gosh, I think this eye look is looking so cool. It reminds me of Fruit Loops. I think for my inner corner, just because why not, I want to take Silverlake and pop it in my inner corner because it'd be really cute. I don't think I'm going to go in with glitter primer just because I don't know. I don't usually like glitter primer in my inner corner because I don't want it to be too much. So I'm just going to pick up some of that on that same little brush I used before. I'm just going to carefully place it right in that inner corner. Ooh. It's so pretty. I'm getting such wintry vibes with the silver and blue next to each other. You know, it's kind of weird that it's called like Silverlake and Polar in a Endless Summer collection. I mean, I'm cool with it. I'm so much more of a fall and winter person than a summer person. Oh, I think this is so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. I'm going to throw on one of these pairs of lashes. I haven't decided which pair yet, and then I will show you both of these glosses. I have a feeling Flicker is gonna be the one I end up with today because it just kind of goes with my eye look a little bit more. So I'll probably show you Bloom first, and then I will take it off and show you Flicker. All right, I will be back. Oh wait, my waterline. I don't know what I want in my waterline yet. I'll figure that out and tell you as well. So this is with Bloom, that purpley one. It's so pretty. I don't even think you guys realize how sparkly it is. I don't know if that even gives it justice either. It's so sparkly. It feels so just, I want to say oily, but not like in an oily way. That does not make sense. It just feels so hydrating and slippy. It doesn't feel sticky or goopy. This is like so on point with my favorite kind of gloss formula. It's so good. I love the way this looks on my lips. It's so pretty. The eye pencil I went with was the Midnight one, the Faux Blacks from NYX. I felt like that would complement the blue on the lower lash line. And the lashes that I went with were the Dazed ones. And they're definitely shorter than what I normally go for, but they're still like pretty and they're dramatic and they're very curly, which I like. I'm not used to having very curly lashes. This is what I wish my natural lashes could look like, but they just don't, and that's why I wear lashes. But yeah, this is with Bloom. It's really cute. I'm going to put on Flicker now and show you what that looks like. Okay, this is with the shade Flicker. Really quick, they are hammering like madmen right outside my window, so you're gonna hear banging, I'm sure. But I like the color of Bloom more, I think. I like Flicker a lot, but I think I like Bloom more, but with this look I like Flicker better just because it goes more with that stuff that's happening across my lid. Holy cow, so loud. And I know I said that the look that I did reminded me of Fruit Loops. I swear these glosses smell like Fruit Loops. Like it literally smells like I'm busting into a bag of Fruit Loops. I don't know what it is. But yeah, this is the overall look with Flicker. I really am happy with everything. I'm going to zoom you out so we can chat about these products a little bit more. I'm so content with this look, guys. I feel so cute. I love this loose shadow on my lid. I love the loose shadow on my lower lash line. These mattes blended so pretty in my crease. I just think it looks so pretty. I don't know. I'm just really happy with it, and I really like this gloss, both of these glosses. I have a feeling I'm going to grab these a lot because you guys know I love a glittery gloss. Sugarpill, make 50 more, please, and I will buy them all. I feel like these mattes definitely are different than the old formula. I don't know if they changed the formula or if it's just me, but these definitely feel more buttery and more creamy. I love the old formula. It's very pigmented and they still blend well, but these just blend better. I love these colors. I would easily, if I had a go-to everyday makeup look, if I didn't film every day, it would probably be me smearing this green all over my lid, wearing big lashes, and calling it a day. But overall, I really like those shadows. They performed beautifully. I didn't have any issues. These loose shadows are a lot of fun. Obviously, they're messier to use, but I mean, you can't deny how beautiful they are. They're so pretty. I definitely need to keep probably Silverlake around because it's a really pretty inner corner. I don't know, I like all of these. I need to bust into my Sugarpill loose shadows more often, and I just, look at the component. It's so cute. It's like a little nurse symbol, but it's a heart. I love it. Lashes are cute, of course. I think they're not exactly as big and fluffy as I normally go for, but they're still cute, and they flatter the look nicely. I'm excited to bust into the other pairs eventually. I'm very content, guys. Thank you again, Sugarpill, for sending this to me. I don't know what I did to deserve this. This is a brand that I admired for such a long time. I lusted over them for years on Instagram. They were one of the first Instagram brands I fell in love with. I just can't believe they sent me their whole new collection. I literally could cry thinking about it, but I have to get ready to go for work. Thank you so much. If you guys enjoyed this kind of first impressions playing with my Sugarpill products from the Endless Summer collection, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know also if you guys want to see maybe a palette bingo with my Sugarpill shadows. That could be a lot of fun. Maybe I could draw 4 Sugarpill shadows and then 1 loose shadow. That could be interesting. And I also have a lot of Sugarpill lip products, so I could do that with those as well. Let me know your thoughts, ideas, things like that. Do you want anything from the summer collection? Do you have anything already? I would love to chat with you guys about the products. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I try to post here most days as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.